good.
Also, if you haven't lost
Hello.
or if you are a kid and you can't find your mom or dad, go to the change of tent. It's the big white tent with the green writing on it. If you can't find it,
We got you now.
Also, we want to thank some people who
How y'all doing?
all the awesome volunteers doing everything they have done to make this happen. Bubba Brown,
Hello, ladies.
and the Bay, Lahega Lions Club, Bob's Realty, Subs Etc., Simpson Drywall and Construction, Cigarette, Bill Kincaid, and Gene.
Hey guys.
Off the guard and I slipped down and left to my pleasure.